Hello, dear students. This is the beginning of chapter number 8, that is comparing quantities, and exercise 8.1 is the topic today. And exercise 8.1 is based on the basic concepts of ratios and percentages, to convert ratio and then converting ratios to percentages. It was a part of grade 7 syllabus, and it's just given as a revision part in grade 8. So we are going to start with it. I'm not going to solve each and every question of the exercise. I will be solving some of them. Others you people will try. As in exercise 8.1, question 1, find the ratio of the following. Speed of cycle is given and speed of 2 is given. So it means before that is the numerator, after that is the denominator. Then you need to find ratio. Here their units are not same. So convert this unit into meter. Here again units are not same, convert rupees into paise to make units similar and then take their ratio. How to take ratio? In this way. Whatever is given as numerator, write down, then denominator, then cancel their units if those are same. If those are not same, then make them same first. Then take them to the lowest term, and that lowest term is your ratio. And second question, ratio is already given and you need to convert into percentages. I'm doing B part. To convert into percentage, you need to multiply by 100. So I multiplied by 100. But these cannot be divided in the table of 3. So I've written it in the form of mixed fraction. The next is question number 4. A football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. If the win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? We don't know how many matches they play. So supposing total matches be as X. Team won 10 matches, winning percentage is 40%. Don't think both the things are given as the same. This is also winning, this is also winning. So it means percentage of total is given for these many matches. So 40% of total is 10. So 40% of X is 10. Take the reciprocal to the other side. Because when we go to the other side, numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So 10 into 100 upon 40. In the table of 4, we can cut 100, 0 zeros cancel. So our answer comes 25. It means total matches they played were 25. Question number 5. If Chameli had rupees 600 left with spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? Whatever is given in the statement we'll write. It's given money left rupees 600, spending percentage 75%. So supposing total money, what we need to find is M. Now, if we see it is the leftover money, but it is the spending money. These are the opposite ones, but we need the similar one to find. So we'll find the similar percentage of money left. How we will find? We will subtract this percentage from total percents. Total percents are always 100. So 100 minus 75 is 25%. Now, 25% of total is rupees 600. Why? Because this is also the money left percentage and this is also the money left. So 25% of total is rupees 600. So 25% of M is also 600. Then do the reciprocal of them. So 600 into 100 upon 25. It cancels and your answer comes rupees 2400. In the beginning she was having 2400. Question number 3 is 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? I'll give you a hint for the question to solve. First find interested students in this way, finding 72% of 25. Then find non-interested students, subtracting the interested students from total number of students. So 25 minus interested students. You can solve this question in this way. Then question number 6 is little different but very easy. There are 60% people in city like cricket, 30% like football, remaining like other games. Other games they have not given you. What percent of people like other games? If the total number of people is 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. Firstly, we will do first question answer. Then I'll explain next. Total percent of people will be 100%. As I told you, total is always 100. People who likes cricket, I have written C for cricket, 60%. People like football, 30%. People like other games, not given. So total minus cricket plus football. 100 minus 90 is 10%. And now we need to find out the number of people, because total is given 50 lakhs. So number of people for cricket, 60% of 50 lakh. 60 upon 100 into 50. 30% of 50 lakh, 30 upon 100 into 50, and 10% of 50 lakh, 10 upon 100 into 50. Find out the number of people in this way for each type of game. Thank you so much everyone, and do your exercise, complete your exercise.